Warning and alarm for transmission.
Oh, shoot, we got a weekly test!
Originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the SAME system, or Specific Area Message Encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG 59 listening area for the following marine location: coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical miles.
So we just got a weekly test, and this is weekly test number 2. Oh my gosh. This is a bad weekly test. I did not know.